way to serve your customers the best way is to create frequently asked questions and answers in advance, so that when they come to your platform, maybe your website or your catalog or on Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever, and they have the same question, they can easily get the answer without you necessarily being there to answer each and every time. And you can be able to generate very quickly frequently asked questions using KazilyAI. So all you need to do, jump to KazilyAI.com, sign up if you haven't, create a free account, then go to AI Writers. Once you're AI Writers, you'll see different templates. Select FAQ generator, that is frequently asked questions generator. Once you're there, put in the description, like in our case, if you're running a bakery and you're making cakes, you can just describe your business and say, I have a bakery that make cakes for special occasions like weddings, anniversary, birthdays, and all that. Then come down there, select okay, UK English, maximum length to be 100. You don't want to make them very long. Then give me 5 questions. Creativity, let it be good and tone. Want to maintain it to be professional. And then you say generate. As you generate, voila, you can see frequently asked questions that might come to your business if you are a bakery. The first question might be, what type of cakes do you bake? You can read the answer and then you can customize it to your own bakery. The second question, how far in advance should I place my order? We recommend that you place your order. It is put in the right time that you would want them to place the order. Can you accommodate dietary restriction or allergies? Put it there. Do you offer special testing? Yes, we do offer special testing for our clients. And if you do or you don't, you can put your right answer. And that is a quick way to generate frequently asked questions for your business and customize them for yourself and post them on your website or your catalog or wherever you are. KazilyAI is here to help you make work easy. Head over to KazilyAI.com, create your account, free account, or click the link in the description. And until my next video, as I help you grow in your business, out.